Looking to upgrade your bathroom with a new mirror? We'll show you how to safely take down the old one and clear the way for a fresh new look. Before you get started, put on gloves and eye protection. Make sure you have someone to help out, especially if you're removing a large mirror. Basic contractor mirrors are usually held in place with clips and glue. Depending on the clip style, you may need to loosen or remove the clips first, then use a heat gun to soften the adhesive if needed. Cover the mirror surface with heavy-duty packing tape to protect the glass from cracking as you work. Next, insert wooden shims into any gaps between the mirror and the wall. Gently tap them in until they're snug, but avoid forcing them beneath the glass. Place another shim under your pry bar to protect the wall, then gently work the bar behind the mirror. Keep steady pressure and move along the edges, releasing small sections at a time. As you get toward the bottom, support the mirror from the top so it doesn't pop free suddenly and fall. Once loose, carefully carry the mirror out of the bathroom. If you plan to reuse it, make sure to protect it from accidental damage. Scrape off any leftover adhesive with a putty knife. Then remove any damaged drywall paper and patch the holes. Now, you're ready to install a new mirror. Shop online or in-store at your local Lowe's to find stylish options to elevate your space.